Tyrant Terminator! Yo, what's good, TTA family? Back at y'all with another one. Today we at the Division of Human Services Department. Out in the great state of Indiana. Just want to go in here and see they respect our rights to record in public, to make sure our rights are not infringed on by anyone at any time. Let's go see. Drop that man live. See if we can get a public records request from these people, man.
Maybe I can go there and harass them.
Hello, can I have a public records request?
You want a printout?
I just bought
Yeah, I'll take a printout.
all my records for all of that stuff.
Can I have your social and your ID, please?
For public records request?
For your printout?
For a printout?
Yes, sir.
What's
Say what?
I'm confused.
You're asking for a printout, correct?
Yeah.
A printout of the public records request
Wait a
form,
minute, check
not,
and say we gonna-
yeah,
I
probably
checked
misunderstood.
With, Reggie. So that's considered 4. Well, it ain't 6. I thought checking and saving was one bank was actually like.
Public notice?
Is that what you were asking for?
So it's like a FOIA, Freedom of Information Act? Are you familiar?
Yeah, that's available to the public.
Oh, okay, yeah, so, but I need to fill out a form to request materials from this department.
Give him 1 second.
Okay. Wait to shut up. Case information, a photo ID is required. It's fairly small in here though. Fairly small. Wait for her to bring her FOIA request. Would be good to go at this department. Stay tuned.
Who needs help? Jesse, which one? How can I help?
Yeah, like I was telling the young lady, I need a public records request form from this department to
For
fill out.
yourself?
Yeah,
Okay.
for sure.
Okay. So is there a reason why, are you recording?
Yes, ma'am. So I document everything that
But
my encounters with
no cell
government.
phones are allowed in this office.
No cell phones allowed in his office. Why not?
Yeah.
Why not?
It's just a policy, a federal policy.
Okay, so it's not a law.
It's not a law, but it's a
Okay.
federal policy because we have other clients here that with business issues, and they.
Yeah, because she didn't, and all these young ladies up here they didn't say anything. I was good to go.
Okay.
Plus, I know I can document my interaction with government.
You can, but not when there's other clients around that have their own personal issues going on.
Yeah, I'm not going to document any of
So
that.
you
I'm
need
not
a-
going to. I'm not here for them.
Okay.
Yeah, just here for me to fill out the form, and I'll be good to go.
What kind of form is it?
So it's Freedom of Information Act. Like we can request public information from the government entity. Are you familiar?
I think you might be in the wrong office. Just come with me.
Okay. Are you like the supervisor here?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay. Okay, cool. Appreciate it.
Because I need to figure out exactly what you need.
Okay. Well, so it's freedom of information. So it's freedom of information. It's like we can request public records from any government entity.
But they're your records, correct?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. It'll be general records about the entity, about the actual office itself. Because she thought the same thing. She thought it was like my records. No, I'm not trying to get any personal records. It'll be general records from this department, about this department rather.
The only thing we have is we have a book with like updates of everything we have.
Okay.
You can always look at that.
She tried to show me a booklet,
Yeah.
but so you guys probably not familiar with what FOIA is. It's Freedom of Information. So you know what? This is what I'll do. I'll just fill out what I'm requesting on a blank sheet, and then I'll turn it back into you guys for a photo stamp received copy, and then you should forward it to your public information officer. Are you familiar with who that is?
Yeah, we don't have. That would be in Indianapolis.
Yeah, so you'll forward it there. That's what I'm saying.
Okay.
You'll fax
Yeah,
it or
I could
email
I
it.
could do that.
Okay, yeah. So I'll just fill it out
Okay,
momentarily.
So just when they call your number, ask them for a blank sheet of paper.
Okay.
And that way you can fill out what you need and then have them give it to me.
Oh, so I should take a number.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll take a number. Okay, and what's your name?
My name is Catalina.
Catalina, appreciate it. Thanks a lot.
No problem.
Okay. Okay, so we'll fill out. We'll fill out our FOIA real quick. So, yeah, once we told her, man, you know, this is I guess we got to get one of these numbers right here. Get number 11. And the whole stem pulled out. Y'all stay tuned, TTA. So yeah, like I was saying, man, we got number 11. Spoke to her momentarily about the cell phones. Guess it's no cell phones. Like she said, I mean, it's more of the same, but that was kind of like poker right there, you know. Obviously, she didn't continuously going on with it once she seen that we understood and knew what we were talking about in terms of our rights. So we'll just wait for one of these young ladies at the desk. And like I say, that's another thing. No one even up here then behind the glass, like 5 young ladies, different personnel. They didn't say anything about it either. So, but obviously that lady went back there in the back and told the manager. So, but it's cool though. In any event, they didn't continuous with the put. They didn't continuously try to come at us with the pushback. So, like I said, we'll just get our FOIA all documented, get a copy of it, and book on out, man. Y'all make sure y'all stay tuned. I'm sorry?
Are you like our news reporter or something?
Independent journalist, yeah.
Wondering.
Yeah.
Is there somewhere where I can read what you're?
Yeah, you want to jot down the YouTube channel?
I can remember it. Go ahead.
It'll be under Tyrant Terminator Audits.
Tyrant Terminator Audits.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. Go inside government buildings and we document, hoping that they respect our First Amendment right to record.
Right.
Gave us a little pushback right there, but not too bad.
They probably have no clue, honestly, what to do about any of that.
That's
You
true.
know, most of the time, I was going to suggest you might try like a bigger office, maybe, or something.
Well, I go all over the country doing
Oh,
this.
do
So,
you?
yeah,
Oh, okay.
yeah. I'm just stopping in the state of Indiana. Never been here.
Tyrant Terminator
Audits.
Audits.
Yeah. Yeah. Appreciate it, man.
Yep, take it easy.
All right, you too.
Thank you.
Yeah, for sure. So we're still waiting for them to call our number, man, so we can file our FOIA right quick, man, and we should be good to go, man. Y'all stay tuned.
Thank you.
12, window 5, 11.
You guys had already called me.
Yeah,
I almost
I
missed
called
you. Okay. Yeah, what's her name? Yeah, she called 12 too. So was the manager named Catalina?
The manager that you just spoke with?
Yeah,
Mhm.
yeah. So she just told me to get a number, and then you guys will give me like a blank sheet and a pen that I can write with real quick.
About a week or two ago, saying that I was supposed to come and sign a piece of paper and submit to you guys. They said they sent me something for summer, but I never got it. So
No, just a regular blank sheet of paper. Just 'cause I'm gonna fill out a FOIA request and I'm gonna give it back to you for a copy, and then we'll be good to go. Okay. And then I'll get this right back to you momentarily. Okay. All right, man. So we'll fill this FOIA requests out right quick, man. We should be good to go after that, man. Y'all make sure y'all stay tuned. All right, if I can just get a stamp received copy of this. We should,
Okay. You wanna fill out the bottom?
Yeah, no. So no, this is going to be a public records request.
Okay, so you don't wanna date it?
No, it's okay. Once you stamp it, because the stamp I
I'm
have
just
to.
gonna, give it to the manager, but I'll give you a copy of it.
Okay, is that going to be the same manager I spoke to? And then can you let her know I want to have a further dialogue with her if she
Let
can.
her know.
Appreciate it. So she said she'll give it to the manager, but she'll give me a copy of it. But and she'll let her know that we would like to speak with her further. Take it from there, man. I'll make sure I stay tuned.
And so I went to the Social Security.
She said she'll be with you in a few minutes.
All right, thanks a lot.
No
I should
problem.
come to here and get research.
The manager's gonna come back out and speak with us. Definitely appreciate that. Just want to pull a coattail right quick before we book on out. We should be good to go. And I called you to speak with you. I just wanted to show you something real quick right here. And I know this obviously what you guys are alluding to. So like, because I see that they're all over the place. These, but to be perfectly, I want to pronounce your name correctly. I don't want to butcher. How you say it?
Catalina.
Catalina. Okay. I like. The only thing is about this, these signs are what you call unconstitutional because I don't know if you're familiar, but we do have a First Amendment right to record in public. Well, I know that when you first came out in the counter, you was just trying to do what they obviously told you what to do.
Well, I'm only trying to protect other clients because they have personal business that they're conducting here.
Okay, I can understand that. I can understand that, but you know what? And it's probably not on you, but it'll be on obviously the federal government itself to probably, we got to reconstruct this then. Like, because people have a right to come in the public library and record,
Right.
but if they're sharing personal information, then I can understand where you guys coming
Right.
from. So you guys got to take them to the back.
Well, this is the lobby, so this is where we service them. If it's anything private, then we take them to the back.
I can understand.
Yeah,
But see,
so
but
we can't take everybody to the back because we have interviews scheduled. So there's other clients in the back having interviews. These people, some of them just need to turn in documents or get it printouts, stuff like that.
also, that's the main reason why it says no cell phones, cameras, or video recording devices,
Right.
because of that purpose.
Right, correct.
Okay.
So,
Okay.
what you wrote in here,
Mm-hmm.
you can go on our website and you can get anybody's names that work.
I know.
So do you have the website?
Yeah, but I always like to do it in person like
Okay.
this, just to keep it the old school way.
Okay.
You know, I'd rather do it this way and turn it into you guys that way.
So you didn't sign your name or anything. Do you want your name signed?
No, ma'am. So what it is, I'll just call to see when the materials are ready, and if they're ready, then I'll pick them up that way. I always do it that way.
That's if they send them to us. I'm gonna send this up to my LOM. That's my local manager.
Okay.
She's not in the office today, but she'll be in tomorrow, maybe, I think. So I'll give it to her.
Okay.
But she's gonna need a number or something to call you back. You wanna
Okay,
put
so
your
let
number?
me see. Because is she usually in this office?
She is a few days a week.
Well, you know what? I'll take her contact, and then I'll just contact her.
Well,
I'd rather
you can just come in and ask for her. Her name's Miss Rideout.
Miss Rideout.
Rideout.
Okay.
RIDOUT.
Right, and then she can always be located here, contacted here.
Yes.
Okay, well, we'll just do that to see
So you
when
want me
it's
to
ready.
hold on to these and give her?
Well, I need a copy, but you keep the original. That's
Okay,
why,
so I'll
yeah.
make you a copy, right? Well, she
It
did
seems
make
like
you a
she
copy,
did already
right?
have, yeah.
So you want me to keep the original?
You keep the original.
Okay, you take that.
Okay, for sure.
Okay.
Yep, and this is, okay, stamp receipt. Yep, okay, yep, and I'll be good to go.
All right, you take care.
All right, thanks a lot, Catalina, right?
Catalina.
Catalina, okay, thanks a lot.
All right, have a good day.
You too. So from the top, TTA family, from the top, came out here to the great state, Indiana. to the Division of Family Resources to do what we always do. That's to record in public to make sure our rights won't be infringed on by anyone at any time. Coming in, everything was great. We seen a couple of different personnel, young ladies behind the windows. At first, I think she didn't really understand what I was saying. I think she was trying to think. She probably thought I was trying to request personal documents from the Family Resource Center. Like I had business, that type of business. And I was like, no, it's a FOIA, Freedom of Information. It don't seem like any of them really knew what the Freedom of Information Act was, but that's okay, that's okay. I'm not gonna come down on them for that, right? It's all good. The shorter girl, that was the shortest girl that helped us in the beginning. She was just like, well, let me go holler at my manager. And she went back there and got Catalina. I think I'm saying it. I hope I'm saying it right. Catalina. And Catalina did come out with a little bit of pushback first. She did, sir, you can't be doing it. It's, basically more the same. Basically more the same about people being in the lobby and things of that nature. And that's why I wanted to have that dialogue with her at the end. But when we went to the back, she tried to bring me to the back to talk more about the FOIA. It just seemed like, to me, it seemed like she's on the fence with it. She obviously know, because usually we'd get additional pushback, right? It'd be more. It'd be way more than what we just received from her. So for some reason, she kind of just did away with, the whole you can't do it. And she just allowed us to, right? And we told her it was our rights, and we was good to go. I wanted to have a dialogue with her at the end because I see that those signs are all over the place in this office, you know what I mean? And get her whole outlook on it. But I wanted to tell her, I just always want to tell people that have authority at these entities that if you guys want that much privacy, like I say, they should reconstruct, the federal government should reconstruct the whole entire lobby area and just start taking people to the back. Maybe have a lobby in the back. Maybe have 2 lobbies, because if basically you're worried about people's personal information being leaked while someone's recording, that's understandable in a sense, but not in the public lobby, because think about it. If people's not even recording, people still can hear personal information. So if it's all about privacy, you should be able to take them to the back maybe right away. As soon as someone signs in, you should probably take them to the back and put them in an office or room or something like that. But, and all in all, TTA family, to be honest, I call this a pass, man. I call it a pass. And y'all let me know how y'all feel. Y'all let me know how y'all feel in the comments. But I think I call it a pass. I mean, like I say, Catalina was trying in the beginning, but she didn't continue. She remained professional. She never got loud. She helped us, with our FOIA request. She took it. She said she's going to forward it. Didn't have an attitude. Came back out to speak with us. So she didn't show, you know what I mean? So I would call it a pass, man. Like I say, I can understand her saying, no phones, no recording, because that's what they telling her. They telling her to say that to people that come in like that. So she's doing that part of her job. But once we went into the whole, we have a right to do it, she didn't try to step on them after that. So I can respect that. I really respect that, man. Y'all, like I say, y'all let me know how y'all feel, man. Y'all out here in the state of Indiana, but we should be good to go, man. We definitely should be good to go. I want to say I appreciate everybody been rocking with TTA, man. If you're new here, make sure you hit that sub button, because you don't want to miss a bunch of stuff that's coming up. Plus, you want to be able to say, look, I've been rocking with TTA from the beginning. Even though we 2 years in, still kind of considered the beginning, because we locked in for the long run. We back live Sunday at the next. Back live Sunday at the next, 2 p.m. Central. So y'all make sure y'all get ready for that. Is it anything? Nope, I think that'll be about it. So until the next time, y'all stay tuned.
That Terminator is out there. It can't be bargained with. It can't be reasoned with. It doesn't feel pity or remorse or fear, and it absolutely will not stop. Ever.